the demanding daily situations can damage the tissues and cells. Now, there is an answer for it all: INDIBA therapy. How does it work? INDIBA activates and promotes the body's natural mechanisms of repair and regeneration, all thanks to a unique electrical and thermal technology delivered at 448 kHz in a safe, non-invasive way. This energy is delivered to the body through electrodes that work in a closed circuit using two modes. The first is the capacitive mode, which works on the superficial layers of the skin. And the second is the resistive mode, which has effects deeper and on the most resistive tissues, such as bones, scars, or fibrotic tissues at a deeper level, using high electrical resistance. Standard radiofrequency generates heat due to the resistance of the tissues to the current. This is known as the Joule effect, which can lead to increase in blood circulation, oxygen, and other essential nutrients for cellular physiology, increase in lymphatic drainage, all together with antalgic and anti-inflammatory effects, improvement in the flexibility and elasticity of the tissues, and improvement in muscle functionality. INDIBA's unique combined electrical and thermal effect takes this one step further. At the current of 448 kHz, it still delivers a repairing effect without using temperature. This is known as subthermal. This current triggers a series of reactions involved in maintaining the cellular balance and promotes key processes in cell repair and tissue regeneration, depending on the tissue type. Other INDIBA effects include the increase in the replication of fibroblasts, keratinocytes, and osteocytes, increased synthesis of collagen and elastin, an increase in cellular metabolism, an improvement in the speed and quality of healing, and an increase in the reabsorption of edema and hematomas. With INDIBA, you're able to apply the treatments in both acute and subacute phases, creating more opportunities for several pathologies to be treated. The quality of cells and tissues are improved, which helps in their functional recovery. By combining the electrical and thermal action during the treatment of an area, proper tissue regeneration is promoted, and the altered systemic functionality is improved. This guarantees a healthy, functional, and revitalized tissue, all done in an effective, proven, and safe way.